Hi. Hi, so this is Muscular Lego Guy, and I went on YouTube once, and I thought, why not make a Lego clock? And then I saw the Lego pendulum clock, and I thought, well, that's too complex, and I better do some research to do that. But I wanted a Lego clock that I could keep in my room, so that I could just look at time, and the clock over there is really, really boring. So I thought, why not make a Lego alarm clock? So I took apart my Sony G machine, like, you know, the really old alarm clock, and I came up with this. So it's basically a Lego clock with the LCD display. If you take the top off, you can see that you see the speakers and all the circuit board, and the main power, like the adapter thing, is over here, and I encased it in Lego, like pretty thick, so that no one got shocked. The speakers here. This is the snooze button, and yeah. So my dad's birthday was coming by, and I thought I'd give this to him, but he said I had to patch it up so that no one got shocked, and because of the safety. So I encased that thing in Lego. If you can see, there's the wall over there, and it's pretty cool. I actually took apart the whole alarm clock, and I came up with this, and I thought it was really fun because it looks pretty cool. And the main purpose is to have an alarm that wakes you up in the morning, and it's a clock, so it works. I still have to figure the radio out. It was really fun. It was like a weekend project, and it was pretty fun.
Now for a look inside. Ba ba ba.
So, and it took me a long time because you had to fit this whole thing together in Legos. So it was pretty hard, but still fun. And there's a cord connecting, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you look closer, those are the buttons. That's the button for, like, there's a button for time set, menu, and stuff. And this one, there's this rod that goes down and presses the snooze button. And it's pretty complex, I think, and it's fun to make. It was a nice birthday present for my dad. And yeah, so that's Muscular Lego Guy with the world's first Lego alarm clock. And yeah, hopefully the first Lego alarm clock. Rate, subscribe, comment. I'll probably post a tutorial for it after I get some views. And if you really need a tutorial for it, if it's not that simple. So yeah, see you later.
This whole thing was made by Muscular Lego Guy TMRC blah blah blah. See ya.